Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers, and it is a very good day to be a Bitcoin Truth Seeker. It is Monday, February 8th, 7:48 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. All right, BitcoinDailyView.com, got more for you there. Check out all the links and cool stuff. Get a cool Bitcoin Daily View t-shirt. Sleep is for stop loss. All right. You may have heard of this tweet that went out. Tesla has bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. SEC filing says that is a wonderful, wonderful thing. Of course, the market has reacted like a rocket ship to Pluto. This story is confirmed over here on Yahoo Finance. This really was purchased. It is a wonderful, wonderful thing. And if you ask me, I bet you, for entertainment purposes only, they've probably been OTCing for a while. Or I bet you Elon has. You know what I'm talking about? Because you don't make an announcement like this knowing what's going to happen without already having hedged your bets. So, hey, new Elon millionaires, it's a wonderful, wonderful day. I want to mention blockchain education. I'll link to this in the show notes. Also, it'll be one of the videos that comes up at the end of this one. Blockchain education are doing great, great things, and this is a great little infomercial that was done by Robert there, who's always in the chat helping people, very glorious human being, and he talks about the fully automated trading that they do have on spot, futures. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing, but blockchain, but blockchain education is really about education. You can sit back, chill, watch videos, learn the methodology, then you can be in a 24/7 chat, comparing charts, getting good hits, getting good, hits on new trades. I mean, it is a wonderful community. Community is what's helped me create more wealth in the last couple of years than anything else, and a lot of that really was directly due to blockchain education. I can't thank them enough. It's a great, great group. Get in the chat, hang out, learn the methodology, compare charts, get good tips on what's going to happen, or basically you can help as you learn the methodology. You can learn with your friends in the chat. So as you're learning, you can say, "Hey, is this right? Is this right?" And whether you're a seasoned trader or brand new, they got more for you. You can do better. Of course, in terms of purposes only, I'm not a financial consultant, but I'm just saying I've gotten a lot from this. Watch the video. There's an affiliate link. Yes, there is in the description of the video, and of course over at BitcoinDailyView.com. Hop on in, join the team, give it a month, try it out, because I think you can do a lot better than you're doing, no matter how good you're doing, if you're a member of blockchain education. So I'll show you a little bit more at the end. Of course, massive incoming traffic, some lags observed in some regions. Auto scaling should catch up soon, all because of Elon. Thank you, Elon. There's going to be, I think we're going to, like today, I think literally there are many Elon millionaires, There really are, just from this massive, massive trend that we see after, the announcement about Tesla hedging in. I've always thought, man, it's going to be a day when we find out that Tesla is hedging in or has hedged in, and that's going to be the game changer. And it's cool thing about doing this YouTube stuff is that it's documented somewhere. It's back there. I've said it many times. There'll be a day when this happens. It's a game changer. Today, it's a new world. The peaceful revolution just went into overdrive. Elon's a cool character. I've read the book about him, and it's not bad. It's really not bad. I think he's a very human being. People say a lot of nasty things about him, but I don't think he's a transhumanist monster or anything. I think he's actually a good human being. MicroStrategy 2021 CEO keynote with Michael Saylor. I'll link to this in the show notes too. He's a futuristic character. This is not too dry, and I think he definitely sees the future. If you need some positive superpowers for the future, if you want to feel good and be like, yes, 2021, there's a lot of good that's been happening in the world, and he really is on top of it, and he sees it, and he really shares his vision for 2021. It might be a CEO keynote. I know it kind of sounds dry, but no, it's really powerful. Check it out. All right, the crypto market against USD or USDT, green. Doge up 30%, rocking, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. ETH up 7%, BTC up 10. I think I forget what we hit as far as an all-time high, but I think we hit like 44K, was it? Anyway, we'll take a look at that. Doge in the deep green, XRP up as 4.1%. I saw it recently. It was up 45 cents, so I mean, it hit 45. That's wonderful. ADA Cardano up 8.7 right now, last 24 hours. So we're really, really rocking. And one thing about this, if you do use Coin360, something I do for trading, I'll just mention, you can always set it for an hour for showing the percents, and then it's a little bit more valuable if you're trading during the day. You can see that against. Sorry about all the noise. The garage door is open today. So we'll see if this will actually refresh for me. It's going a little bit slow today with all the traffic, but you can switch it to an hour in difference, and then it'll show you like the gains or losses within the last hour. And that's a great way to find coins that are actually making a move, like Doge is right now. Anyway, I'll keep moving. Got to keep moving. All right. 8.7 or 8.8 billion in volume last 24 hours, 4.2 billion of that on Binance, 1.5 billion of that on Bitfinex. I'm sorry, on Coinbase, and Bitfinex almost hit a billion. All right, and we've got so much traffic. I wonder if Coinbase has had issues. I mean, if Binance has, well, Coinbase, let's face it, they probably have too. Let me refresh this longs versus short sentiment. It's going down a bit. It's long 70%, shorts 29%. Sentiment is still long, but I think really it's going to start trending towards 50-50 or probably short pretty soon here on Binance, even if right now the sentiment is long. All right, Bitcoin dominance cranked 63% today. And of course, we can see that represented here over on Coin 360. That dominance just crushed the alt, but many are not taking it laying down. They're cranking up. They're coming right back. You can see your strong players right now, like Doge, of course, and Theta against BTC are not taking that lying down. They are bouncing right back. Okay, let's keep on cruising. All right, how many gold coins to buy a Bitcoin today? 23.8. All right, the traditional markets, S&P 500 up, Russell 2000 up, DXY, Dollar Strength Index, red candle. All right, silver and gold up top, green candle today, green candle, wonderful. Silver, green candle, so those are getting over that extreme laggedy dumpiness that they had after a bit of a pump. So metals back in the game, traditional market looking okay. Bitcoin versus USDT on the 3-day chart, boom, beautiful green candle today, or actually this last 3 days. What I want to mention here is the 3-day candles right now are showing a massive, beautiful trend positively in the MACD. That is good stuff. This 3-day candle opened on the 6th, so that's 6th, 7th, 8th. It's going to close today for a trend reversal on Bitcoin, especially. I tend to think that the 3-day candles tell you a lot. So we had 1, 2, 3 very, very positive 3-day candles in a row. Now we're going to have a fourth. Our trend reversal, I think, is definitely towards the bullish side now. We're above the 21 EMA and the 200. We are looking, rocking good. So that bearish dump we had, over with. All right. Entertainment purposes only, of course. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor or a life coach, but hey, if you like hanging out in the garage, I like talking about crypto. Bitcoin, USDT on the dollar, on the daily. Okay, of course we're above the 200 moving average. Of course the MACD is now powerfully opening up. Look at that histogram. It is massive. Look at this beautiful, rocket ship to Pluto. This will be known as the Tesla candle of 2021. Now, looking at immediate price action, look, here's my thing. If you got a dog, if you got a tennis ball, or you got a kite, or you're just sitting at the office, maybe go get yourself a fresh cup of coffee, do something good for yourself, celebrate today. It's a beautiful thing. I cannot give you financial advice, but what I will say, my personal strategy today, sit back and chill. I made money today. I wish I'd had a 5 or 10x long this morning. Woo, that'd be, that would be glorious. And I was thinking about it, but I didn't do it. Doesn't matter, there's going to be plenty of chances for that in the future. Look, we got past some resistance, and now we're going to make that support eventually. All the indicators are just screaming, rocking right now. This is a 45-minute chart, but just keep it in mind. We're probably going to level off here, but we don't know what's going to happen. So, little old Craig's advice here on Bitcoin Daily View. Don't try too hard today. We don't know what Bitcoin's going to do. It's truly in discovery mode. It's blue sky mode. Just, if you do trade, be careful, because we are definitely in a volatile moment. My guess is we'll probably find support around 43, 42,000, and then probably go sideways and continue up. But with that said, we could also pump another 4K just like that, or 1,000, or dump it right now. Volatile times. If you're in profit, protect those profits. So, what is Bitcoin going to do next? Who knows? Let's look at the 5-second candles here. See if I can see this. See if we see a trend. Pull a bunch of these in here. All right, let's look at a 15-second candle. Sometimes we can see a little bit of immediate price action. Wow, look at that, a 15-minute candle. Whoa, look at that. So as you can see, we really broke above this resistance. We got above it. We're well above the 200 moving average. Boom, and we're really rocking. What I would say here in the 15-minute candles, where this red trend, this red moving average here is the 15, and usually you don't get too far from the 15. You tend to snap back to it. So we're matching it there. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. All right, here's the deal. Just unsolicited, just morning, just talk here. But what do I think might happen? We'll probably snap back to the eight moving average on the 45-minute chart before too long, and that's at 41,000. So it's continuing to move up though. So I would just guess, what we could do? We'd have a little bit of fun here. Let's just do something radical because, that's what life's about. Let's kind of take this pump. Let's just do this just for fun. Fibs are about fun. Yep, that would be the 382, 41,900. Right now, actually, we're right here at the 236. 43,000. Maybe we'll bounce there. Maybe we'll bounce at 42,000, right about 42,000. So anyway, and of course the moving 8 is right about 41,000. So somewhere in this range, I'd imagine some sideways and a further bounce. We shall see. Right now, like I say, we are in blue sky mode, but I know myself. Anyway, who knows? It's all conjecture. Just be careful at times like this and just enjoy the beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumped. I'm sure we're going to keep some of this pump. I would imagine worst case if we go sideways at 41,000, worst case 42,000. I think most likely around 42,000 is going to be our bounce. If not, really 43,000 right here that we wicked past to. We just wicked to. If we take this recent pump into account, do a fib on it. Hey, we could go sideways right now at right above 43,000. Also, we can continue pumping. Just enjoy the day. Don't try too hard. I wouldn't short. I'm just saying, not financial advice, but I would not right now. Ethereum versus USDT up top. It pumped with Bitcoin. It's leveling off with Bitcoin. Ethereum versus BTC. Here's a sweet ass trade right here. All right. Of course, versus Bitcoin. Ethereum got crushed. All right. And we expect that, right? Of course. But now it's leveling off. We shall see. It would not surprise me if the sucker does a rocket ship to Pluto move here. I could see, boom, getting right back above that 200 moving average, something like that. I could see Bitcoin, I could see Ethereum, pulling that like 12% move to get healthy again, back where it was in a very short amount of time. So that I know it's a little risky, not financial advice, but I am kind of watching that Ethereum BTC for a possible slow swing trade as Ethereum recovers. But like I say, betting against alts right now like that is the same as kind of shorting Bitcoin right now. It's a volatile market. Be careful. Just enjoy the day unless you got some serious, TA that you are certain of. Okay. Doge versus USDT. Okay, this Fibonacci sequence based on when we started to move a little while ago, and to our recent all-time high. If you look, we did make a bounce off the 236 fib recently, and now we're blue skying against USDT. Indicators are a little bit of a mix because it's been pumping and dumping so hard. Let's see. It's all about if it can get past that all-time high again at about 87, at about 8.7 cents. So Doge is definitely looking good. It doesn't even appear really to be leveling off. It's got a lot of room to move. I'm watching it. I can't quite get enough of a read on it other than it's looking good right now. Let's see how it rolls. If you're a Doge person against USDT, you're happy because you pump with Bitcoin. If you're a Doge person against BTC, if you're a Doge person against USDT, you're happy because you pumped. If you're a Doge person against BTC, well, here's the deal. I'm digging this trade. I'm actually digging this. Okay, here's the deal. Doge has been flirting with a 382 fib line for quite a while, right around 169 sats. It dumped a bit this morning, but not really. It held strong, and that's a good damn sign. Any alts that held strong against BTC are Lambo plays in 2021, I'll tell you what. So here is the deal. It's moving up. It's bounced off that 382. It's looking good. We'll look to see some possible resistance at the 236 fib line, right around 204 sats. The indicators are a little shaky right now because it's been volatile, but I think definitely when we see a squeeze indicator start, and there's a video about this, and I linked to the squeeze indicator over at Bitcoin Daily View. The next time I see a squeeze start, when I see this start moving, when we get a green candle with a white dot under it, and that's all explained in the little video there, I'm getting in. I think that this might be a hell of a play. KRI is looking good. Our stochastic RSI is wonderful. Directional index is just barely in the green. ADX is going the wrong way. But I'm watching this. I think we got a slingshot here ready to send a little Dogecoin to the moon. Anyway, not financial advice. Sorry about that. That is conjecture more than TA. But, yeah, it's a beautiful day. Let's all be happy. 45-minute chart for ADA. It kind of has managed to stay about sideways with a bit of a dump, but it recovered very quickly against USDT. This is a wonderful thing. I like seeing it. ADA is holding strong. ADA, once again, it's kind of like Ethereum versus BTC. Took a big hit this morning, and it's recovering. Indicators show that it's starting to move in a positive direction for sure. I think we actually have some squeeze dots firing off. So be careful. It's too volatile to really get a good chart on myself. I'm just chilling. I don't want to try too hard today, because it's just a nice day. And I'm letting the market kind of recover a little bit. I'd tell you what, I mean, even though this is intuition and not TA, it would not surprise me if Bitcoin just starts moving again. Would you short right now? Would you long right now? I don't know. I'm gonna let all the other. We'll see. Sorry, I'm a happy person this morning. It's wonderful to see this. Okay, and now I'm going to share this quickly for you guys. Blockchain Education, an amazing group. It ain't free, costs some money. If you do join with the affiliate link, you get a little bit off. Join for a month, check it out, be part of an amazing team. It has helped me so much, basically being able to trade with people. You can learn just sitting back and chilling, watch some videos. You can learn the blockchain education, trading methodology. And with that, you got people that you're trading with here in the chat. I'll give a quick view of the chat here. See, look, we never stop. It's 24/7. We never, ever, 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 ever stop talking about crypto, talking about what the market's doing, looking at charts, comparing charts. Hey, look, check at this. Here you go. Anyone have thoughts on AAVE? Boom. See, we're constantly in communication, helping each other win. It's an important thing, and we're all using the same trading methodology. Yes, there are signals. You can hop in here. You can get into the automated trading, and one of my favorites really is the long 90 hot signals. I really like these. I personally like long 90s against USDT. And if you join up, you'll understand the difference between all these different things you can hop in on. If this will open for me, come on now, open. Sorry to hold you guys up. All right, it's not in the mood for opening up for me. Let's see, will this one do it? Sorry guys, I wish I could show you this. The system's moving a little bit slow. And anyways, don't let that be don't let that hurt your confidence. Oh, here we go, results. You know what, it's really not, there we go. It's really not blockchain education having trouble. It's me. My machine's about to explode. I got so many charts open right now. But here you go. This is one of my other long 90s. This is what I was looking for. I just took a minute to fire up. Look at these calls. These are all from today, just in the last couple hours. It's firing these off. You can put a certain amount in, and I'll show you here. So look at the money that's being made. All right, now if I go back here, and it's not really, it's more me moving slow than blockchain education. Here we go. Settings. Let me fire up settings. Let's say you wanted to hop in. You could say yes, I want to hop in. Okay, let's say I want to put $300 in, and I want to do $30 calls, and I want to say take profit at let's say do a trailing take profit at 2% with a deviation of 1. Boom. That's something I actually do. This is the trade-off I'm putting here. I might up this to like 1,000 and do or maybe 1,000, like 50, and put in like $50 into the calls, and just sit back and make that, well, Lambo gains. You got to learn to use the system. There's a bit of a trick to it, but you got a community which you can use. So really, this is neat, and I like it, and it's wonderful. But really, the blockchain education and learning how to use that trading methodology and having people to collaborate on those trades with, that's what I tend to do. There's something for everybody, and it's a great team. I'd love to see you there. Join up, come hang out. I'm going to link to this video at the end. Well, this is in the show notes, but also it should link to at the end of this video. Fully automated spot trading. Robert, one of the guys from Blockchain Education, does a great little demo on this. But don't click on his affiliate link. go over to Bitcoin Daily View and scroll down and click on my affiliate link if you please. Anyway, take care. It's a glorious, glorious day. And thanks for being part of the peaceful revolution. This all matters. It's a good thing. Don't try too hard today. Just bask in the glory of a better world. Take care.